Go Auto Sales has a vehicle for you. This one is in great shape, ready. Presenting a pre-owned 2002 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. This 4-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter V8 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 148,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 13 miles per gallon in the city, and 17 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, anti-lock brakes, CD player, power windows, and power door locks. Go Auto Sales, buy here, pay here, ask about our warranty.